Hello mga higala, this is me Corinne, your artist from Davao City. Welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm gonna share with you one of my paintings. This is actually my first ever video na in-upload, and I was kind of motivated to do this, sharing my God-given talent. Story time! Before I became a teacher, yes, I am a public school teacher here in Davao City. Before, I keep on asking God, sabi ko sa Kanya, Lord, ba't di na lang ako naging singer gaya ng papa ko or a dancer? Kasi active talaga ako sa mga extracurricular activities sa school namin. But then, when I applied to a certain private school here in Davao City, and I remember that time, magbarkada kami noon, nag-apply, and ako lang yung nakuha. So, I asked the principal, sabi ko sa kanya, ba't po ako? Sabi niya sa akin, kasi artist ka. Maganda yun sa mga bata. And I realized that time the worth of the talent God has given me na hindi ko na-appreciate noon. And I just want to leave this verse from James 1:17 that tells us that every gift is from God. We all have different talents and God-given gifts, and we must be grateful to God, and one day we will know His purpose. So, stop letting God's gift to you catch a dust. Use it or lose it. He gave them to you for a reason. I hope you are blessed for today. All glory belongs to God. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Bye!